Here we go back again. Got all hooked up and ready to go. I don't think I'm gonna be using the SATA cable or the Molex to SATA because, again, my case, it does have, if you guys can't see it, it's like a onboard get some light. There we go. It's like a onboard chip. You can hook the SATA cable and the power. And on the other side, over there, you can see it. Once we put that thing over there, it will go like a hot swap. That's what it is. Hot swap. Okay. Let's get this done. Okay. Put this inside. Okay, this looks like it's designed for the HDD drives, so I won't be able to use it for the SSD drive. But there's the last two over here in this area. They are designed for the SSD drive. So eventually I am gonna use the cables that came with it. That's okay. Jesus. There we go. And this cable has to go for people who have the 6 GB motherboard. This has to go to the 6 GB per second port on the motherboard. Okay. You know what? Let me just find the power cable first. I do have some SATA over here from my power supply. Just gotta find one. Okay, well, let's just go ahead and use the Molex. Well, eventually we are gonna use all the stuff. I do have some SATA cables on the other back of the motherboard, but we'll do that some other time. Just want to get this shit done and start using it for now. I'll deal with the cables later. Here we go. Okay, Molex to SATA or SATA. That's right. I hate the Molex. They suck. They don't fit sometimes. Jeez. SATA is much better. Here we go. Put the power first. And the data cable. Okay. The data cable doesn't clips like when you. Oh, here we go. It does now. And this goes to the. Hope you guys can see it. It's right over there. The white cable is the 6 GB per second, and the black one right below it is the 3 GB per second. Of course, using a solid state drive, it's very good to use a 6 GB. Come on, come on. Go. That's right. Okay, where's the white one? The white one is not connected to anything. Let's go ahead and take that off for now. Could have used it for the solid state, but I'll leave it later for the HDD, so I can hook it up later. Okay, boys and girls, it looks like we are ready to go. Power and data connected, same thing on the motherboard. Alright, we are done here. Let's go ahead and put this back. If you guys have any comments, notes, you want to say something, use the comment section right below. I'm just doing this for fun. Alright, what else? What else? I guess I can start that up. There we go. We need to go to the BIOS, adjust some settings. Usually, there we go. Mine is a mouse controlled BIOS. I can use the keyboard, but it's much easier with the mouse. Okay, just gotta show you guys what to do if somebody is trying to do it on their computer with the same specs that I got. Okay, my mouse is not functioning. You can go ahead and restart because I connected it after computer starts. Press delete. There we go. We need to go to settings, advanced, and check, not this one. Yep, this is the one. Go to the settings, integrated peripherals. Might be different on other motherboards. Go to the SATA or the SATA configurations. It's set on IDE mode. You don't want to do that on solid state drives. Okay. can't really see it right in my camera. Just zoom in a little bit. This camera sucks for video. Hope you guys can't see it. Can barely see it on the camera over here. Anyway, you want to set it to AHCI, and if you got both of them, you want to rate them together, maybe in the future for me. AHCI mode for the solid state drive. There we go. Stop plug. Go back and let's just check something over here. Systems, CPU frequency 4. Oh shit. Yeah, let me adjust something over here before we go. I think I overclocked my system last time. It was on accidentally. And you don't want to do that. I don't want to do that right now. Not really familiar with this on this end. 4.2. Okay, oh, we're gonna change the boot sequence also to boot from this drive. As you guys can see, I'm not really familiar with this. I know you come here a lot. Okay, utilities, nope, settings, boot, there we go. Hard disk, not anymore. Oh, here we go. It's already set up the first boot disk. Hard disk. It's kind of weird. It says hard disk, Samsung SSD. Anyway, second one is the CD drive. See, I accidentally overclocked my system to 4.2. Temperature is 64 Celsius. Oh, okay. We'll pause over here.